Ayun guys, nakakalungkot pero kailangan tanggapin. Yung kapatid ko dito na sa Bunot. Makakasama niya ng aking ama. Dalawa na sila na ngayon dito. Kaya nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga sumama pagbibig.
The memories you left behind. Remember, do you remember the laughter and the tears, the shadows of mysterious days, the good times and the bad you see, and all the others in between. Remember, do you remember the times of your life? Reach back for the joy and the sorrow, on the way in your mind. For memories of time left to borrow, to spend when you get to tomorrow. Here comes the setting sun. The seasons are passing one by one. So gather moments while you may. Let the dreams you dream today. Remember, when you remember the times of your life.
Huling dungaw na natin. Yung gustong dumungaw, magdungaw na.
Babay na kinulo mo.